Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about Chapter 7, Government Fiscal Policy and Real GDP. Okay. In our last video, we talked about the Chapter 6, which is the aggregate expenditure AE equals here C0 plus I0 plus X0 minus Z0 plus C minus Z times Y. Okay, so here we add government expenditure into the formula. Government expenditure is the government spending on the currently produced goods and services. Why government expenditure G equals to G0 is because the next year's budget is actually proposed on this year's year end. Okay, so this is planned expenditure autonomous, so it won't change by next year's GDP. Okay, so that's why G equals to G0. So now we have our complete aggregate expenditure AE function of AE equals C0 plus I0 plus G0 plus X0 minus C0 plus MPC minus Z times Y. Okay, so since we have the government expenditure G, this is expenditure. Where does the government income come from? Okay, government's income is taxes. Government income is net taxes. Net taxes is the taxes minus transfer payments. So transfer payments here means, for example, subsidies. Okay, since subsidies does not contribute anything into the business, so we need to minus this. Net taxes is there's two tax systems. First, percentage tax system, what we are using today. Okay, so NT equals T times Y, YD. Sorry, no Y, just Y. And here YD is the disposable income, which is Y minus NT, which is Y minus TY, and equals Y minus T times Y. Okay, and here we need to write this Y into YD because we have taxes. Okay, another tax system is the here, sorry again. We need to plug 1 minus T to the C because it is the disposable income. So it should be right as C equals to C0 plus C times YD, which is C0 plus C times 1 minus T times Y. Okay, so it is plug into the whole formula. AE equals C times 1 minus T minus Z then times Y. Okay, another tax system is the lump sum tax system. It was used before. For example, if your family has three family member, then you have to pay the tax per person, then times 3. If a family has 4 people, then times 4, and so on. Okay, this system does not change the slope of the AE or the multiplier. Okay, so this is just T0. Okay, tips here is to distinguish two kinds of taxes. Okay, combined effect. This combined effect means we are adding G0 and T into the original AE formula. Okay, so comparing to EE, the new AE function can be constant, increase or decrease. They can all be happening. Okay, if let's see the original function is AE equals C0 plus I0 plus X0 minus Z0 plus C minus Z times Y. Now we have a new AE function equals C0 plus I0 plus X0 minus Z0 plus G0 plus c times 1 minus t minus z y, okay? We can write this as c0 plus I0 plus x0 minus z0 plus, open the bracket, this is c minus ct minus z times y plus g0, right? And then it is c0 plus I0 plus x0 minus z0 plus c minus zy minus cty plus g0, okay? So the difference between the old AE function here, okay, this one and this one, the difference is we have negative of cty plus 0. So when g0 is bigger than cty, okay, we have an increase AE. Okay, when g0 is equal to cty, which here is 0, we have a constant. If g0 is less than cty, we have a decrease. Okay, so this all can be happening. And since we are adding the percentage tax system into the function, our slope is changed to c times 1 minus t minus z. Okay. If the question says we don't use the percentage tax system, we use the lump sum tax system. So the slope does not change. It is still this, but we need to minus the total lump sum tax here. Okay, which should be something like this. Okay. Because our slope is changed, our multiplier is also changed from 1 over 1 minus c minus z, okay, change to the new one. Okay,